Hey travel pros, would you love to have your next group tour fill more quickly and way easier? Imagine being able to use the long arm of social marketing to reach out to fans who have clicked your Facebook posts and then landed on your website. That used to be the magic of web wizards. Now it can be your reality. It's as easy as adding the Facebook pixel into your website. Once you or your web team add this short snippet of code to your website, it'll track user interactions with your Facebook ads and your website. Such a cool way to glean insider information to help you see what resonates with your fans and build more successful group itineraries. Go ahead, give your Pixel a try today and get it working for you today.